Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language of the ASKfm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app, and after that tap on this home button down below on the left side of the screen. Then tap on this account button in the upper left corner. Tap on settings on the right side in the middle of the screen. Tap on social, which is the second. No, tap on account, which is the third option, and click on the language option. As you can see, the default option is English, but feel free to select another language. All you have to do is just simply tapping on it and then click on the button done in the upper right corner. And then the language of the application will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.